Good afternoon to everyone. Today we are going to see this topic 5 yes. Okay, so this 5 yes is very important and also it's very easy to understand. So for this 5 yes, we have to understand the meaning clearly what they are saying. So this is in a different language, because which is in a Chinese, I think. Okay. So by using this 5S, if you are maintaining this 5S in your organization, then your organization will be in a very clean and very good manner. It will be as very clear. Okay. So for this money we are using this 5S. Yeah. Surely you have to know clearly about what is this 5S. So first one is first of this 5S's, first it starts from Sairi, okay, Seiri, Sairi. So what is meant by Sairi? Sairi is nothing but clearing the culture. What do you mean by culture? Did you know what is the meaning of the culture? Yeah, of course you should know about it. Culture means it is those things which is not need for the organization. For example, if there is a machine manufacturing company, if they use some leathers also to make the machines in a safe way. So but there is no need of the thermocols of using this leathers. Okay, so what I'm saying that you should remove the culture from the organization. That is very important. If you don't need that one, then you should remove it. That is the Sairi. Then it follows that Satan. Okay. So after clearing that, what are all the things we are having that is to be arranged in a good manner. That is called as a Satan. Okay. So arranging the things which we are having. So it is to be needed in a arranged in a correct way. For example, if you are going to attend a class for a day, then you are going to make the books or arrange the books as a clear way, like from first evening, morning to evening, what are the subjects you are having that in a timetable, then you have to take only that books now. Then you are arranging the books also in a correct way for in your bag. That is a good example. So that is called as a Satan. So first remove the things. So today I am don't have a max period. So today I didn't have a max period, then why I have to take the max notebook? So I'm going to clear that max notebook. I don't want also. So remove the book. Okay. So and now after that max book, after you remove that max book, you are having some other books now. So that book is to be arranged in a correct manner. That is called as a Satan. Then the third one is shake shoe. Okay, shake shoe. What is meant by shake shoe? So the shake shoe is nothing but as a, it is clearly saying that is it sweeping. Yeah, you have to keep your organization in a clean way. For an hospital, the shake shoe is a very important thing. So you should make a clean of your organization by using that. It is also very important. Then next one is sage shoe. Sage shoe is the fourth one. So it is also a cleanliness, but of this sage shoe you have to monitor the other other three S's also. If it is in a correct way or not, you have to make it check if it is clear or not. That is called as a sage shoe. Then the last one is Skaichuki. Okay, so that is discipline. So overall that we should maintain the discipline for this 5 S's. So this is to be maintained with this Shaitsuki. Okay, so these are all the 5 S's you should maintain, or you should clearly follow that for making the organization a clear way. That is only given here. So say it is a clearing of the culture, the things which you don't need. Okay, I'm not need that thing, then you have to clear it. Then Satan, arrange the things. Then side shoe, the sweeping of the organization is also very important. Then side shoe, it's a cleanliness. Then fifth one is Shai Shuki, this is nothing but as a discipline. So we should maintain this 5 S's in an organization to make a good and also it will be very effectively, it will help you for the quality of the organization. Okay, so this is very important. And also you should know then please write the spelling in a correct way. Don't misspell the word, then definitely it will be considered as a wrong answer. Okay, thank you.